Y'all here early. You here for what? How to DIY and save a dime? It's early. I wasn't ready. Y'all gotta give me a moment. Oh, y'all still here? I'm ready. Let's go get started. Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I'm glad you stayed for this next little quick and easy sprucing up holiday decor video. Now today I want to share with you how I'm going to spruce up our stockings, and as you see we have multiple. So when the time comes to fill them, who's going to know whose stocking is whose, right? You won't. So the great thing that people like to do is put initials on them. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy cheap way to put initials on them, and yeah, we're just going to go from there. It's going to be quick, easy, and you really don't need much of anything. So let's get started. Well, let me retract. So you're going to need some alphabets, and I got these alphabets from Walmart. And if each letter that is needed for the initial is different, then you are in the money because you have all of the alphabet. Now, all I'm going to do, and I was thinking, should I keep the wood look because I do have this look in the living room, but I feel like black will pop better. Comment below and tell me, would you have kept it this color or would you do it black? Now we're going to open this up and I'm going to set it up there. I can't see what the black would look like. Maybe I can get something black and put it there. But yeah, tell me what you think. Black or keep the wood, raw wood look. Comment below. All right. So I'm going to use some Velcro, and I like this Velcro. I use this on a lot of things. It's industrial Velcro, and I can just cut a nice little square off of it, and I'll show you how to do that later. And then I'm going to use some black flat Rust-Oleum paint. I've used this paint for several different things. This vase was one of them. And yeah, so I'm going to be using that to create my actual letters on my stockings. So let's get started. So we're zooming in, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with something black like this. And then, yeah, no, I don't think so. Yeah, I think we're going to go black. Let's go get started. If you had black paint, you can also just use that instead of having to spray paint. But the spray paint to me is going to dry much faster. So I'm going to go in and get the letters that I need. Why do these look, this looks weird. I guess that's a G. I guess. And then we have for Rizzy. Then we need me. We're gonna go with M for me, Millie Mill. And then I don't know if that's an M or a W. This looks like this might be the W. Yeah. So the M, and then we need an N for, is that a Z? I think that's the Z. Or is this the N? Let's see. Yeah. 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 I think that's what it is. Or should I do a C? Let's see how the C looks. We're gonna do an M for Millie. Yeah. Oh, you guys can't see. So my babe, me, Rizzy, Maya. Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. All right. Okay guys, so now that all the letters are dry, I'm going to cut my Velcro. I cut a piece about this size off of this row, and I'm going to cut 4 pieces really thin like this. Hold on. Boom. The reason I'm using this option is because I do not want to do anything permanent, and I don't want to mess up the fur. the faux fur on the stocking, so I'm going to use this. This sticks to mainly anything. So let's get them on the letters and let's show you how they look. It's black, so I don't know if you can see it, but there is the tape, and let's get them on the stockings. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up the video. If you're new to my channel, join my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe bell. Also hit the notification bell so you are alerted every time I load these great videos. And with that being said, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I do my best to always comment back. And guess what guys? Happy holidays, and I will see you guys later, Gators.